is a brand new video, and I am here to say that I'm playing Roblox, and this is a new channel, so I hope you enjoy if you're watching. I do ASMR. This is a Roblox ASMR video. My name is Cookie, and well, we're gonna do some mouth sounds today. So hopefully, if you like mouth sounds, you will enjoy this video. If you don't, click it off and find something else. Okay, let's get started. I'm playing chairs racing in Roblox. Okay, so I am just gonna do some rambles and stuff, and I might just apply some lip gloss and start doing some mouth sounds with that. So I'm super excited. This is holiday break for me, and I had a lot for Christmas. It was so fun. I got to hang out with my family and stuff. Only my grandparents came out, but that's okay because we normally have my cousins and stuff, and it's a little Riley with all them, so I'm kind of happy that it was just me and my grandparents and my mom and my dad and my sister. I think it's been really fun recently, and I'm excited to go back to school because I kind of miss my friends and stuff, and I haven't been really contacted with them, so I get to talk with them and stuff. That might be weird. You never hear someone say, oh my god, I'm super excited for school, guys. I'm gonna go back, and but I think it's pretty fun to, come back from holiday break because you're probably doing something, not just hopping back into learning. Anyway, I had a lot of fun playing this game. I think you guys should really try it. It's not sponsored or anything, but it's really fun. You just get, there's weird noises, and you get to vote for what map you want to play, and they're all different maps. Sometimes there's random maps, and it's really fun overall. points and like buy new chairs and stuff, and there's so much more chairs than you can see in this video. But anyways, if you go and try out this game, you have to play for at least like a couple minutes, you know, like 3-4 minutes to actually get points. As you can see on the side, there's a little claim plus 50 button, or like a minute plus 100. You have to wait that amount of time to actually get those points, but at the end it's all worth it. So you know, I don't know what to talk about. So you guys actually in the comments leave me what games on Roblox you would like me to play. There's so many games out there, and I could play any. I could do parkour, Tower of Hell, and I could do like, you know, maybe Bloxburg videos or anything like that. Anything you guys want me to do. These are all really, really fun to play. So I hope you guys really enjoy these videos. It took me a long time to make this. I kept messing up and stuff, so I had to do like a bunch more. I could do blooper videos too if you guys want to see those. Hopefully this channel blows up or something, you know. But you know, I don't, beggars aren't always choosers, so I will continue working on this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, you know. Also, I'm gonna make a twin channel, so you can join that, and you'll get specialized videos every week. I'm also gonna figure out how to do one of those custom shirt things that other Roblox people do. So you buy them, and then I'll make you a custom video. Also, shoutouts. We will also do shoutouts, like shoutout shirts. If you buy one of those, you get a shoutout. And my prices are not gonna be like, oh my god, I need 100 Robux. No, it's probably gonna be maybe 15, 10, even less than that. I'm not looking for Robux. What am I gonna do with it? I mean, you can see my avatar. I don't really need anything. But if you guys want to have custom videos, please tell me in the comments until I figure it out. So I hope you guys really, really, you know, like and enjoy this video. I'm gonna put on some lip gloss so I can do some more of these. Okay. Alright, finally I found my lip gloss. You guys do not know how long that took me, but I'm just gonna apply it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do another trigger, and I'm going to do trigger words. I'm so sorry about the background noise, like my parents are cleaning and stuff. So I'm gonna start with some trigger words and stuff. Let's do boba, 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 boba. Pineapple, 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 So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys are having a great day, and subscribe and like, please. Bye bye.